Here is another video where I bring you some useful Steam features that you might not know. First one is how to mass uninstall games that you maybe don't play anymore, or you need to create some extra space on your hard drive. To do that, open up Steam, and in top left corner, click on Steam, and select Settings. On the left side, navigate to Storage. Up here, select Hard Drive from where you want to uninstall the games. Down here, you will see list of all games installed on this drive, and also the space they are taking on that same drive. To mass uninstall desired games, check this box next to each game, and then click on Uninstall down here. There is also a way to mass install games on Steam. To do that, go to your Steam library, hold Ctrl on your keyboard, and then click on the game you want to install. Repeat this process for each game you want to select. Ctrl, and then click. After that, right-click on any of the selected games, and click on Install Selected. This will put them in queue, and they will be installed one by one. I hope this video was useful and you learned something new. If you did, please hit that like button, and subscribe with the bell on for more useful videos. Until next time, stay safe, happy gaming, and I'll see you all.